Welcome to CBAS. I'm going to demonstrate how simple it is to restore a database after you have backed it up. Start by clicking Database. Select Restore Database. Then click Pick. Select the backup file that you would like to restore. We're restoring webdemo01.zip. Click Open. Then click Restore. Select the folder you would like to restore the database to. Right-click to continue. Now we are going to open the database. Click Database. Select Open Database. Select Real Mode. Click OK. You have successfully restored your database and you are done.